Hello everyone, and welcome back to Networking Bit. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful solution called Stellar Repair for Exchange. This tool is designed to recover Exchange Server EDB database files, especially when you're facing corruption issues or database mounting errors. If your Exchange database is not mounting, showing a dirty shutdown state, or your server has crashed, this tool can help you recover mailboxes without data loss. Let's quickly look at what this software can do. First, it can recover corrupted Exchange database files safely. Second, it allows you to export recovered mailboxes directly to a live Exchange server or Microsoft 365. And third, it supports multiple Exchange server versions including 2019, 2016, and earlier editions. Some common situations where this tool is useful include dirty shutdown errors, Exchange database mounting failures, server crashes, or when you need to rebuild a new Exchange server and restore mailboxes. Now let's move to the demonstration. After downloading and installing the software, open the application. The first step is to select your EDB file. Click on Browse and locate your Exchange database file. Once selected, click Next. You will see two scan options: Quick Scan and Extensive Scan. Quick Scan is faster and works in most corruption cases. Extensive Scan takes more time but provides deeper analysis and better recovery results. For this demo, I'll select Extensive Scan and click OK. The software will now scan the database. Once completed, you can see all recovered mailboxes on the left panel. You can expand each mailbox and view folders such as Inbox, Sent Items, Contacts, Calendar, and Public folders. You can even preview emails before exporting them. This is helpful to confirm that your data has been successfully recovered. Now let's export a mailbox. For example, I will select a mailbox and choose Save as PST. You can browse and select the location where you want to save the PST file. There is also an option to split large PST files automatically. Click OK, and the export process will begin. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message that the data has been saved successfully. You can now import this PST file into Microsoft Outlook and access all recovered emails. Besides exporting to PST, the software also allows exporting directly to Live Exchange or Microsoft 365, depending on your requirement. Overall, Stellar Repair for Exchange is a reliable solution if you are dealing with Exchange database corruption and need mailbox recovery without complex manual procedures. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more technical tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.